Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us see the plan of action on Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks to trade on 14th July to generate some intraday profit. If there is any change in my levels or any nice setup or pattern forms in the live market, I will update in my Telegram channel. The link is given in my description, so please join using that link. So before going into the subject, many called me up and told me to speak in Hindi as well as in English. For them, I'm telling you that I'm not much familiar with Hindi, but I will try to use some Hindi words in between my uh, language. And basically, I'm using very, a simple language so that layman can understand. So that kind of words only I'm just using, and mainly the market language that only I'm using. So I don't think that will make you more tough to understand. So anyhow, I'll try my level best to change some new. That is the I will mix Hindi as well as in English and other subscribers. So please, I think that you won't mind in doing this. So now let us see the plan of action on Nifty first, and then we will discuss in detail about stocks. So this is the price action on Nifty, and so this is the trend line. So as I told you, मैं in my पहला video में बोला था आपको if Nifty breaks this level, you can go for a buy. So you can see what happened after Nifty from here. It opened gap up and all the way till went around near that 19,566 or 568 levels yesterday. Around some 100 plus points you would have get if you bought in this level. So now let us see the plan of action for today. And in my so this is the strong support trend line on Nifty, and here you can see that Nifty it made a double top, but almost didn't touch, but comes near this level. So double top breakout is possible if Nifty breaks this level. Now let us assume that if Nifty opens flat tomorrow and comes near this level, and here you have to see what type of pattern is forming in this trend line. Suppose here if Nifty made any negative candle or any negative pattern, then you can go for a sell. Ultimate target will be around 19,300 levels. This will be a target in Nifty if Nifty sustains here, and then if it made breakout this trend line, forming any negative pattern or negative candle in higher time frame. Suppose the same thing if Nifty opens flat and if it sustains in this level and then made any negative positive candle or positive pattern form, then you can go for a buy, keeping this as a stop loss. Just 40 to 50 points we keep stop loss if negative forms. If positive forms, keep this level as a stop loss, some around the 350 levels, and wait for the target, some 60 to 70 points upside, and ultimate target will be around 500 levels. This is the first scenario on Nifty. The second scenario is, suppose if Nifty opens gap down near this level. So you have to, near this level or here, if it open, you have to wait till it reaches this resistance level. and here you have to see what type of pattern is forming. Suppose here any double top pattern or head and shoulder pattern forms, and the neckline, if it breaks, then you can go for a sell. So stop loss will be some 50 points upper side, and target will be some 50 and 50. So ultimate target will be 19,300 if Nifty opens gap up, gap down. Suppose let us assume that Nifty opens gap up near this level. That is, if opens gap near this level. So let me this level. So you have to see what type of pattern is forming here, and you have to see whether it touches this resistance level. And here any negative candle in higher time frame or negative pattern forms, then you can go for a sell. Stop loss will be some 40 to 50 points higher side. Target will be this level, the closing level will be your target if any negative pattern forms in the lower time frame. And the same thing if any positive pattern formed here in this level after opening gap up, any positive, then you can go for a buy. Stop. The first target will be around 19,560 level, and second target will be 600 or 625 level. That will be your target if Nifty opens gap up and forms any positive candle or positive pattern like double bottom breakout or head and shoulder head breakout. So if this happens, you can go for a buy. So I hope you understood Nifty. Now let us see Bank Nifty, and before that let me remove some of the unwanted trend lines so that these are almost done. From your side also you can remove and keep it. So friends, this is very important trend line because it had a area of confluence happened here, because you can see 200-day EMA is coming this here, and horizontal support level is here, and trend line support level is here. So many indication is near this level. So this is area of confluence. You should be very watchful in this level. So breaking of this negative, if it sustains above this, market is positive. Now let us take Bank Nifty. So this is the price action on Bank Nifty. As I told you yesterday in my video, मैं बोला था that Bank Nifty ये trend line break करा तो अब buy कर सकता है. You can buy once if it breaks this trend line. So see, after breaking this, it had a very huge margin from 850 to some around 45-85 level. So almost some 250 to 300 points. If you would have bought, means you would have gained yesterday. And in my premium group, I gave a sell call. You can see it made a double top breakout. From here, it went high. Again, it touched here. Again, see where it comes after breaking. It formed this double top breakout formed in the resistance level. So this only you have to be very careful. What type of pattern is forming in supply zone, or what type of pattern is forming in demand zone, that only you have to, accordingly, if you play the game, you will succeed in the stock market. So here this pattern forms in the resistance level. See the trend line also, trend line resistance also is there, as well as horizontal resistance level also is there. So here it formed, and you can see what almost some 300 points you would have received. See, from 44,952 it made a low around 44 643. So I told you in my some Monday, I think so, my Monday video that 4550 breaks you sell, target 400. But still now this full week it is coming near this level, and then some 300 to 400 points it's coming down. So keep that in mind. So you if you sell at 4550 level, almost 3 days, that level, from that level it reached to some 44,600 levels, some from some 400 points every day you would have received if you follow that pattern, that delivery position pattern. So let us see the plan of action for today. So before that, let me remove this unwanted trend line, so that to avoid confusion. Wait. So so Bank Nifty strong support is 44,460 level. Now let us assume that if Bank Nifty opens flat near this level, and if this breaks, or if it sustains near this level, and then if it breaks, you can go for a sell, because here you can see it formed a type of double top breakout. So once breaking of this level, you go for a sell, target will be 44,400 level. So this is the first scenario if Nifty opens flat and breaks this level. And the second scenario is, let us assume that if Nifty opens gap up near this level, and you should see what type of pattern is forming. If positive pattern or positive candle forms in the resistance level, then you can go for a buy. Stop loss will be some 80 points, and target will be 100, and 1:1, 100 plus 100. That will be a target in Nifty, and ultimate target will be this level, 45,400 level. That will be a ultimate target. Because why I'm telling, the reason is, here you can see so here you can see it made a double bottom. 1 minute. There you can see it made a, it comes here, again it comes here, again it comes here, and it comes here. So if it breaks, you can go for a buy, because Bank Nifty made a double bottom breakout. So this is the second scenario on Bank Nifty. Suppose let us assume that if Bank Nifty opens gap down near this level, if it opens near this level, you have to wait till here if it for a retest, and here any negative candle or negative pattern forms, again you can go for a sell. Target will be 44,400 level. On the other side, if opens gap up, that is above this level, you have to wait again to retest for this level, and here any positive, you go for a buy. This will be your target. Just keep stop loss some 80 points downside. I hope you understood Nifty and Bank Nifty properly. So follow that, and draw the trend line in your chart, and then you follow it accordingly. Now let us see some of the stocks in detail to trade today. The first stock is Ramco Cement. So this is the Ramco Cement chart. This is the horizontal resistance level. Here you can see it's a support trend line is rising here, and here you can see it's making higher lows. Suppose in today's market, if Ramco Cement breaks this level, because this is area of confluence level. Here you can see 200 EMA is here, support trend line is here, as well as horizontal support level also is here. So this is area of confluence. Once the stock breaks this level, you can go for a sell. So sell below 920, stop loss 931, target 949, 906. This is for Ramco. Suppose if Ramco struggles to break this, and if it breaks this level, you go for a buy. That is around some 953 above, you go for a buy, keeping some 10 rupees. Stop loss target will be 1:1 and 1:2. This is for Ramco. And the next stock is Repco. So here you can see it formed a type of double top pattern is formed here. So this is horizontal support level, and this is trend line support level, trend support level. So once if the stock breaks this level, you can go for a sell. Sell below 307, stop loss 315, target 303 and 298. This is for Repco. And the next stock is Tanla Solution. Here you can see it made a breakout yesterday and made a strong up move, and again it made a retest. The closing is around some 1074 is, I think, yes. And today if it comes near 1065, you can go for a buy, keeping 1045 as a stop loss, target 1088 and 1115 will be your target. And the next stock is Wabag. So this stock also made a breakout at 507 level. So if comes 505 and 507 range today, you can go for a buy. Stop loss will be 499, target will be 514 and 525. This is the type of symmetric triangle is formed here. So once breaking of this, also you can go for a buy, or you can buy in this level also. So keep this also in your watch list. I hope you understood the Nifty, Bank Nifty and some stocks to trade today. So keep all the stock in your watch list and follow accordingly. If you like this video content, just give a thumbs up and hit the like button. Share this video with your trading friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.